Next, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call upon stage Miss Marlene Ishiyar from East Khasi Hills District, Meghalaya. Her discipline is Khasi traditional music. She is a vocalist, 30 years of age, from Meghalaya. Miss Marlene. Heartiest congratulations to Miss Marlene, and indeed an honor and pleasure to be receiving the Young Talented Artist Award from the Honorable Guwahati. Next, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call upon stage Mr. Longsam Priya from Chanmari West in Aizawl, Mizoram. He is 26 years of age, and his discipline is folk and tribal songs and dance. Heartiest congratulations to Longsam Priya from Mizoram. Next, ladies and gentlemen, our next awardee is from the state of Nagaland. I'd like to call upon stage Miss Sevio Chuzo from Sakabama village in Kohima, Nagaland. 30 years of age, and her discipline is folk songs. Heartiest congratulations once again. Next, our next awardee is from the state of Tripura, and I'd like to call upon stage Ms.